Hello folks! So the question now is, what is a credit card? How does it work? Why are banks offering so many different varieties of this type of card? And why are financially educated people hyped about it or are very practical in discussing it? Is it good to own one? Lots of these questions will be answered as you watch this video, so please do finish until the end and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos regarding bank-issued cards. Thank you so much! So ano nga ba yung credit card, guys? First, it is a bank-issued rectangular plastic or metal that gives the card holder or gives you the power to borrow money from the bank whenever you purchase goods, services, or pay your bills. So it goes without saying that this gives you the power to be cashless in shopping, to be cashless in paying your bills, to be cashless in transacting any amount that is being catered by a merchant. So another question I receive commonly from the people I advise to get credit cards is, paano ba kumikita yung bangko sa'yo? At bakit pa sila, actually, yung question nila is, bakit nagpapahiram ng pera ang bangko through credit cards? Paano ba sila kikita sa'yo? Kikita ba talaga sila sa'yo? The answer is, of course, the banks are seldom wrong when it comes to income-generating programs, products, and services. So, ganito yan. Two-way kita yan. Kita on the part of the merchant, and of course, kita also ng bank every time you swipe your card. Ganito kasi. May example akong ilalatag so that you'll have a clear grasp on what happens when you swipe a card. Example, you go to another country. Then, you found out that, oh, may sale doon ng Nike na shoes sa isa sa mga stores doon. And wala kang budget, wala kang pera kasi nga yung pera mo, yung goal mo is tipid travel, wala kang pera. Kaya cash lang yung cash na dala mo. But gusto mo talaga yung yung shoes, gusto mo talaga siya. Pwede mo naman kunin kasi meron ka naman talagang card. Magbe-benefit dun yung merchant actually kasi kung wala kang card, wala ka talagang means ng pambayad, wala kang ibang option kundi tumitig na lang sa material na gusto, sa item or sa product na gusto mo. And just say na next time na lang ulit pag nag-meet tayo. Pero kung meron kang card, you still have the option to loan from the bank through your card. So, what is the caveat there? Ano nga bang ibig kong sabihin? It only means that the merchant is happier when there are a lot of people issued by banks by credit cards because yung tendency na magbayad yung mga tao and magbayad yung bank sa kanila is a lot more compared as to walang credit card yung mga tao. So, ano bang meron sa bangko nun? Of course, hindi papayag ang bangko na magpapautang na lang sila and wala silang kita. Every time you swipe, let's say you swipe for $1,000, maybe $995 yung napupunta sa merchant and the rest of the $5 will go to the pocket, to the vault of the bank. How do I maximize the use of my card? So this is what I do per month. I make sure that I pay my monthly dues on or before the due date so as not to incur interest. But pag may mga times na hindi maiwasan na nag-short talaga ako sa budget, so I make sure that I pay at least the minimum amount due. And yung interest talaga ng card ko ngayon, ng kasalukuyang card ko is 3%. So if I have not paid 1,000, for example, I owe the bank 1,500. The minimum due amount is 500 pesos. So I still have a 1,000 peso credit. Papatawan niya ng 3% na interest. So that would be 1,030 pesos after a month or after 45 days, say. 45 days yung nag-lapse. And binabayaran ko. I make sure to pay it again after a week or two so that hindi na madagdagan yung interest. And that's how I manage. Minsan nga, if I see an opportunity that yung pambayad ko sa bill ko ng card is pwede ko pang i-sideline ng ibang negosyo. Kumbaga, i-roll ko pa muna yung pera bago ko ibayad sa bill kasi makakapag-antay naman yung bank, hindi naman malaki yung interest, mas malaki yung kikitain ko sa gagamitan ko ng pera na pambayad ko supposedly sa kanya. Then, I usually do it because if you sum it up, you still are profitable. So, is credit card helpful? Yes, very much. It's very helpful on my part. It helped me meet my monthly ends without incurring much interest or whatsoever. And as long as I pay on time or even later, but I pay the minimum amount due, hindi ako nag-incur madalas ng interest charge ng interest ng pag-utang. And it's also way lesser, way cheaper than borrowing from loan sharks. So it's very, very helpful, especially if you do it with a business. That's what I can say. So my recommendation to you is to study first the different types of credit cards at kumuha ka ng isa as much as possible. So yun lang talaga masasabi ko on the basic of credit card, of getting to know what a credit card is. And I will upload a lot, promise. I will upload a lot more videos on credit cards. Ano nga ba yung mga dapat gawin para ma-approve sa card, and the perks, the most important reasons why you should get one. Maraming salamat sa pagpanonood until the end, and I hope that I helped you even just a bit of detail regarding credit cards, even just confirmation on what credit card really are. But you need to do also your own research on this type of cards. I really hope you find the right card for you, and thanks a lot for watching until the end. Have a great day.